Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Grantham Pub Underground. We're not really making cocktails today. I know it's the holiday season. We're in December. You're thinking holidays. I'm working on getting the bar decorated here. But we're going to do a little tasting with Tom. We know what this is by now, right? Yeah. Okay. And what we're going to taste is, I actually think it's a holiday flavor, because holidays are all about warm flavors, spice, but I think it's really refreshing. And we are going to do a sampling of ginger beer, non-alcoholic ginger beer, because there is alcoholic and non-alcoholic, but I'm going to taste non-alcoholic that I would use anyway, like as a mixer for something, and see which one is best. And actually, we have 5 that we are going to try right there. We have them listed. And I'm going to try to do this as blindly as I can. So I have them numbered. Ginger, Marianne. It's not about Marianne today. Although, who do you guys prefer? Let me know, because that's been a great debate over the years, Ginger or Marianne. So, but today it's about Ginger. And I digress. So there's 5, and I'm going to try to do them blindly. And the 5 that I have are what I think are the most readily available that you can find, plus a couple that I happen to just find. I mean, I don't know if they're readily available, but we'll see. First is Fever Tree, and then Gosling's, Barrett's Ginger Beer, and these are all found in the supermarket. One called Bundaberg from Australia. Oh, I guess you guys need to... Oh, it's two-sided. And then this one, which is called Reed's. So just let me get some in the glass. And while I'm doing, tell me what you're doing this Christmas. What do you want to see? Well, I guess we got to do a comparison of colors too. That might be kind of hard to make it totally blind. I mean, I'll try, but the fun part is, and this one's cool. This has a cool little cap. I mean, they're all pretty light. Twist off. So I'll put them aside, and now I'm going to try to mix them up best I can. So round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. I'm already kind of confused. I mean, I know which one of them is, what one of them is, only because of the color, but I'll try to be as... Okay. I'm not really sure, for the most part, what they are, but I mean, comparison of color, I mean, they're all kind of, except for this one. This one's a little more cloudy, but these 3 are pretty much similar. This one's clearer. This one's clear, but it's brown. A little cloudier, a little clearer, cloudy. So, I mean, I happen to like ginger beer. I don't know about you guys. So here's how it's going to work. I'm going to try them this way, try to figure out which I think is the best for me, and then we'll try them in a drink to see which way. So this is just my opinion. My tasting partners, either Jess or Frankie James, aren't here. Shout out to you guys. Get up here. So let's see. First is first. Smells very gingery. See, I would drink that just by itself. That's very... I guess if you zoom in, you could probably see which one it is. It's gingery, not overly sweet, very light. I like that one. Well, you know what? I should have had some water so I could cleanse. Yeah, screw it. This one smells completely different than this one. This just smells like ginger. This is a lot more caramely. Definitely got a, and it's. I don't know if this has caramel color in it. I mean, I kind of know which one it is, but. Wow. This one, I get no ginger flavor whatsoever, or ginger smell. This just kind of tastes like sweet club soda. You know, I need some water. I'll be right back. Talk amongst yourselves. Okay, I got some water. Where's this one? Let me try this one again. Yeah, that's just sweet club soda. This one has ginger smell. It's got more ginger flavor, but not a lot really. But wow. That one, after you swallow it, you get the ginger bite and heat in the back of your throat. That's a completely different experience. Wow. That's a trip. And then this is the last one here. Again, that's just like sweet club soda. These two are like NG, so I'm gonna put them off to the side and go through these three again. This one has the most ginger bite. That I would almost tell you tastes like Sprite. Okay, that's the order right there. This one, really good. Not overly sweet, but it has the most ginger bite. This one has more ginger flavor, but it doesn't have the bite that this one has. This one, I mean, there's nothing special about it. No, I have all this gas in me. Excuse me. This one has that caramely flavor. And if you smell, it smells like caramel, like ginger syrup more than, and this one just doesn't really taste like anything. So, let's go this way. This is 2. Wow. That is very, very shocking to me. Very shocking. This one, I know what it is. Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah. Okay, that's that one. Actually, I thought it was the other one. But this one is this one. This one is 4, Bundaberg, yeah. And then by process of elimination, this one is no artificial sweeteners. So what's the, oh, I bet they have corn syrup probably. So that's Fever Tree. So let's rank them. Well, they're ranked already. So the best one to get, according to this very unscientific, if you're just drinking it on your own, you want some ginger flavor, would be the Fever Tree. Followed by Bundaberg. I don't know where you can find it. Product of Australia. Barrett's is a good go-to. This one, it's just like caramely sugar type of deal. And then I just really, that shocks me. That, wow. That is totally blows me away. So now, let's do this scientifically with a drink. I have 5 identical drinks. And what's in here is 1 ounce of Gosling rum and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. So we are going to, I'm just going to use the same stuff because why waste? Are going to make 4 rum bucks and 1 Dark and Stormy. Do you know which one is the Dark and Stormy? That is correct. This one made with the Goslings, because you can only call it technically a Dark and Stormy if you use Goslings. So, yeah, Frankie or Jess, this is a lot for me to digest. So you guys, I should have probably saved this for when you guys are here, but oh well. I'm curious to see how this plays out like this. Here's the other thing. Now I got all this ginger beer open. What the heck am I going to do with it? I mean, I cap them up. I save bottles that I can cap them up, so it's no big deal. It's very, very interesting watching me just pour stuff, right? Okay, now, how are we going to do this? I got to move these out of the way because, no, I'll leave them there so we know what we're talking about. I'll just do it gingerly, as they say. Pardon the pun. We'll start from the bottom up. Should I stir them? Do they need to be stirred? Nah. They probably mixed when I was pouring. Okay, let's see. Cheers. Well, I mean, it's an okay drink. You know what? I'm changing because this just gives it a weird flavor. That sugary, burnt sugary. I don't know what the deal is. Let's just see. Freshly brewed from sparkling filtered water, sweetened with a blend of cane sugar, pineapple juice from concentrate, and honey. That's it, honey. That's with that flavor that I'm tasting. Fresh ginger, lemon and lime juices from concentrate and spices. See, this is very herbally, spicy. This says Jamaican style. So where's it made? All right, Barrett's. These two are generally my go-to. See, that's nice. Oh, my belly's getting full. Okay, that was easy. So if you want a sweet, caramely drink, like what a different flavor of ginger beer, try the Reeds. But to drink by itself or to mix in your favorite, either Moscow Mule, Rum Buck, because this is the only Dark and Stormy right here, because it's Gosling rum, Gosling ginger beer. There's a reason for that. If you're interested, I'll leave you a link. You can check out that video where I explain the whole thing between a Dark and Stormy versus a Rum Buck, and then a whole nother explanation about a Moscow Mule. So they're the 2 ginger beer drinks, although we didn't just make a drink the other day with a ginger beer, and I have some more coming up over the holidays. But that's it. A lot of explanation to say Fever Tree's really good ginger beer. Where's that made? I don't know. Okay, so carbonated water, sugar, ginger root, natural ginger flavorings, and other natural flavorings, tartaric acid, ascorbic acid. Yeah, I should have already said this before. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, I'm not crazy about that. Natural ginger flavoring, citric acid, neutral cloud. What the hell is neutral cloud? Sodium benzenite preservative, natural extract from quilla bark, and coloring, caramel coloring. That's a little scary. Carbonated water, cane sugar, ginger root, natural flavoring, citric acid, potassium sorbate, sodium benzenite, ascorbic acid, and yeast. Well, yeast, I guess they ferment it. Carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, natural ginger beer flavor, citric acid gum, Arcadia, ester gum. So based not only on flavor, but what the hell's in it. Buy Fever. This is what I'm going to buy from now on. But I still have a lot of this other stuff to drink. But I'll still drink it. But buy this one. Best flavor, best ingredients. There's not a lot of crap in it. They use actual sugar, not corn syrup. And the only weird thing in it is nothing. Yeah, you buy this one. So that's it. If you like ginger beer and you've been shopping, drinking these for years and years or whatever, give Fever Tree a try. I think you'll really like it. And that's what I'm going to drink from now on. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time here, why don't you think about subscribing? We do taste tests. We do cocktails. We do fun with family and friends. Talk about different things like this. And it's really fun. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit the bell, because when something new comes out, they'll tell you about it. You can come right on over, check it out, and see what we're talking about, see what we're drinking, and how much fun we're having. And if you really like it, there's a way you can help us out. Like us, share the video, tell us what you think about us. Even if you don't like it, you can tell me what you think. You won't hurt my feelings. But if you want, there's even a place you can leave us a tip so we can do great videos like this. But hey, you don't have to. Just come back. That's all I need. So until I see you next time, cheers to ginger beer. Have a ginger beer drink, but drink it responsibly. Don't drink and drive. I want you back time and time again. So until I see you next time, guys, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.